So we're at my cousin's house and there is chickens here. So there's yeah, we're gonna go see the chickens.
Hi.
And that's my cousin.
Hi.
And that's a dog.
That's chained to it.
It's on a chain.
Oh my god, a dog, another dog.
Oh my god, it's a dog. That looks so sad. Oh my god, my shoes are gonna be really, oh my god. My shoes are gonna get really wrecked.
Okay. So
Okay.
Look, a chicken. You listen?
Yeah, a white one. There's a black one. Oh, it's a rooster.
Oh, that's a rooster.
They're eating.
Okay. So, what to say?
Oh, it's a couch.
Hey, hi, I'm Camille. I'm gonna attempt to touch or pet a chicken.
Do a rooster. This one, the black one.
I'm gonna get one from behind.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh my god! Stop! Touch it!
I can't, because every single time my hand goes closer, it moves. Oh my god.
Hi, chicken. How are you? Aww.
Where are you gonna go, huh?
I want to touch you. Aww.
I touched it. Well, it touched me, technically. Shit. Now I can't say that I touched it because it touched me.
Fail.
Now the rooster too.
Oh, it's right beside me. It looks like Oompa Loompa, Willy Wonka. Yeah. We got ice cream. It's white chocolate.
Hey.
I love white chocolate. Mmm. Oh my god. Oh! I'm gonna get run over.
This is so good.
I know.
My sister. So there you go. One big happy family.
Are we on?
Yeah, we're on, I think. Yeah, we're on.
We're going home, but first we're going to the cemetery.
To
It's
visit.
really close. We're here.
Tu Julia chodziła do podstawówki. To jest szkoła? Tak. Do 4. klasy tutaj. A stoi i nawet nie ucieka. Do 4. klasy
So.
dzieci się uczą.
It's a good song.
Jest tam z tyłu.
Song Billionaire by B.O.B. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's all good.
Oh, okay, we have to go.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Okay, this is freshly squeezed orange juice. So I'm gonna put some money in. You put the money in. Wait, do you put the money in first?
Yeah.
Okay, money in. And then
Just press one, enter.
And there should be some magic going on.
Oh, you have to press A. That's what I did.
A?
Yeah. On the
Here?
no.
Here?
Yeah. And now press it.
Oh, go there, go there.
There it
Oh,
is.
it's moving. Don't zoom in, don't zoom in. Oh, there's the orange. Oh, it cuts. And it comes out there. How the hell? Oh. Oh, it's cold. It's really good. It's so good. Like, actually. From a machine. I don't even know how old these oranges are. I swear it's grapefruit though. Isn't it grapefruit?
I don't know. I think it's orange.
This guy's like stalking us right now.
Which guy?
Security guy.
Oh, security.
He's been stalking us ever since we got to this machine. I just want to say sorry for the vertical view last time. Throughout the whole video. Sorry. I have to note that to myself.
That's it?
Good juice.
Let's get some ice cream.
Look at this ice cream. Doesn't that look so good? My goodness. That's a doggy. How cute. He's so cute. Slow ass train. Hey. Don't zoom in. Look at that fog. Do you see that? There's people running over there. You can't even see them, but I can hear them. You can see them a little bit. Look at that. It's like... My brother wants to jump that freaking creek.
Of no return. Oh, sorry, this is the point of jump line.
Come here, you're not gonna make it.
This is the point of no return. Okay.
She's not gonna make it. He is insane, and my parents are gonna get pissed off.
Come on, future Olympics.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Who said I can't make it? Shit. I broke my thing though.
Your zipper?
My whole button fell off.
I'm not gonna go there film
Okay.
it. Okay, I'll film it.
Look.
That's disgusting. Okay.
I still made it, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Exactly.
You're an Olympic star. Let's go home. Oh my god. There's some plant that like went and touched my foot and now it hurts.
See, you have no belief in me. But I proved you wrong.
Let's go. This way is home, Camille.
Oh.
Wrong way.